YouTube channel. Granddaddy is building my trampoline. Bang, 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 bang.
All right, today on Ask Darren, we are putting together this trampoline. I'm at my in-laws' house. They bought the kids this for Christmas, so let's put it together. Right here, I'm starting to lay out the trampoline part, and if you notice, I get about halfway done, then I have to take it all back off because I had to flip it over to the correct side. So just these little steps, if you just pay attention, your assembly will go a lot smoother and a lot faster. So right here you see us start to struggle with putting this on. I was trying to pull the spring towards the trampoline, but I was having no luck, so we had to go back to the directions. And once we looked at that, you put the spring on the trampoline, then pull towards the frame, and it goes pretty quick after that. So when you put the mat on, everything in your body's going to say, we need to tie this on right now. But no, you don't. It's actually easier to leave it loose and then tie it after you put the upper poles on. So this step right here, there was no way I was going to do it. I don't have the patience to sit there and thread that through. Thank God for my wife. So her and her mom finished doing this part. So one problem we noticed, and it doesn't take care of it in the instructions, is you need to pull this down before you put the post on because you can't get it down. So now I gotta loosen this bolt up, pull this back and tuck it down. So just keep that in mind. You like the new trampoline, buddy?
Yeah.
Is it awesome?
Yeah.
What do you say?
Thank you.
Yeah. Is it awesome?
Yeah.
Whoa. All right, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Seriously, come here. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Thank you for watching. Me and my son and my wife had fun doing this little project. I'm sure it's going to bring joy to them for many years to come. Also, they do sell screw anchors that go down into the ground so you can actually get your trampoline to hold in one place for like wind or whatever, just as a safety precaution, just in case. And until next time, I'll see you later.